Slight delay when switching modes in Vim using tmux or screen. Switching to and from insert mode in Vim is no longer instantaneous since I use tmux. After pressing escape in insert mode, it takes a noticeable amount of time to actually get out of insert mode. After pressing escape and any other key afterwards, the switch is immediate, and the command for the key pressed after escape is executed. Any idea what might cause this? The Vim configuration is not the problem, as the delay does not occur when I run Vim outside tmux, so this is probably related to tmux somehow. I use gnometerminal BTW. Also worth noting, it seems I cannot define key bindings in tmux for escape. My plan was to bind escape to. Alas, it seems binding anything to escape for tmux does not work. The same problem occurs in screen as well.
After plowing through the man pages, it turns out tmux has an option for this. The following in ~/.tmux.conference fixes the delay problem. You have to restart your tmux server or reload your config for this to take effect. To do this, issue sourcefile.tmux.conference from the tmux prompt.
I had a different but similar issue that I was trying to solve when I found this page, so I'll post that here in case it's helpful to anyone else who is in search of this answer and finds this page in the same way. Problem: By mode in Bash has a delay when switching from insert mode to command mode. Solution: In your ~/.input file, add set keyseek timeout n, where n is some low value greater than 0. N defaults to 500 milliseconds, which is what causes the delay. See documentation here. Also, if you want to be able to tell which mode you're in, check out Dylan Kali's fork of Bash.
As the title mentions screen, here is the solution to fix the behavior of escape key within gnuscreen. Taken from here. Add 2.screener config file.
It sounds like you are using a mapping that starts with escape. When you press the escape, Vim has to wait to see if the next key is the one in the mapping. If it is not, it can immediately continue. The Vim configuration can be terminal dependent, so the fact that it does not happen outside of tmux does not mean much. Vim can query the $term environment variable and choose different configuration depending on its value. Since gnometerminal uses, as far as I know, term as the value of the $term variable, and tmux uses screen, I would look through all your Vim configuration files for settings that are only used as the $term variable is equal to screen. My guess is that some Vim config file on your system sets mappings for handling of arrow keys. Those start with the escape character, when the terminal is screen. You can test it by temporarily changing the $term variable in tmux before starting Vim. If your shell is bash, call vim as in tmux and see if the problem persists. You should not use that as a fix, though, since there may be differences between the terminal capabilities of tmux and stern, and you may run into some problems.
If you watch the coffee shop, please